Welcome back, Bling Squad. Today, she just dropped the box.
Hi, Bling Squad.
Welcome back. So today we have an unboxing. So we've been waiting for quite some time. What are you, Dr. Evil? So we've been waiting for quite some time for our FabFitFun fall box. For those of you not sure, FabFitFun has different boxes. We started off with a starter box for like $5. We had a code. I will link some codes in the bottom so you can try it out as well as we did. It was like $5. We got a starter box. We liked it and we decided to keep it up. So every quarter, I believe it is, you can get a box. In addition, there's actually boxes for him. I point back there because Brandon's in the kitchen. But there's boxes for him. You can up your subscription. I think we have like the basic plan. But there's so many different cool things. And each box has some fun, exciting items. I loved our starter box, so I decided to pay I think it was like $49.99 plus shipping and handling to get this next box for the fall. So finally, our fall box is here. It's been here for a few days, I'm just gonna be honest, but we decided to wait so we can open it with all of you. So I got my trusty letter opener. Lauren is going to slash it open. It's a pretty decent box, so she is working her way through it right now. As she's doing that, put in the comments how you guys are doing today. Thank you so much for, hanging out with us and doing these unboxings. Thank you for, of course, being on this TTC journey with me. Yes, I'm a mother to a beautiful 9-year-old. But I'm also on a TTC journey, and that's the main reason why I started this channel. But I wanted to incorporate fun things because, let's be honest, a TTC journey can be crazy. At times it can be sad. It can just, it gets a lot. So doing fun things like unboxing and just sharing other regular everyday life things is very helpful. Girl, are you done yet? No. It opens right here, baby. Look.
Mommy.
Do you want me to help you? Look at that. Boom. Easy. Watch. Flip it right open. Woohoo! She's got it open, you guys. All right. So show them the box inside. So we'll give you a quick... No. The inside. No. Put that back.
What? Oh.
Like, hold it up so they can see.
So
here's a little sneak peek.
Ooh.
It says FabFitFun. This is the inside of the box. There's a little sneak peek. The first thing you get on top is
a magazine, and I think it just tells you some tips and tricks that you can do with your stuff.
Yep, it's Padma Lakshmi. I can't pronounce that right. Lakshmi. Finding common ground on one dish at a time. So this sounds like it has something to do with food, which is really good because right now on my TTC journey, I'm definitely trying to clean up my my diet. And the first one of these magazines had a crossword in it and some other fun little things. So I'm definitely gonna get into this magazine. Up next.
So, speaking of food, we got a HelloFresh situation card. And
it's $80 off, which includes free shipping on our first box from HelloFresh.
Oh my gosh!
So that's pretty neat. I'm probably not going to use it because, for those of you who didn't know, my husband is actually a chef. That was him that just popped through.
You cook it.
No, it's a HelloFresh is a meal thing. It's a meal plan. We don't need that.
I thought you get the ingredients.
You get the ingredient. Right. We don't need that. Brandon cooks for us. He goes shopping, gets all of our stuff. So we'll probably be doing a giveaway and including this in it.
I'll use it then.
Stay tuned.
I'll use it then.
Don't listen to her. We're going to do a giveaway.
I'm going to go to the store.
Anyway, show us what's next. What's next?
The next thing is some stress reliever ointment. I think it's squishy and
it's a dropper and
it's
sealed very well, so I don't want to make this too long. I'm going to try to open it, but if I don't get it on maybe the first or second try, I'm just going to keep moving on. But this is the second item in the box other than that magazine. So it is a dropper, and it says stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil. Okay. Oh, it smells really good. Ooh. And it's a little oily, but it smells really good. So it is a dropper. Let me show you guys the bottle. Sealed up completely, as you can see. Kind of got to fight to get into it. But there it goes. This is natural hair oil. See it? Drip,
Wait,
drip, drip.
what color is it?
It's just a clear oil, but it smells really good. So we're going to get into that. I need to wash my hair anyway. So we'll probably be trying that out very shortly.
So the next is some more like coupons. So I found this Bright Sellers card, and it says you don't need
an inspirational quote. You just need wine. So 50% off your first 6 personalized wine matches at brightsellers.com. Ooh. All right, Lauren, what's the next one?
a FabFitFun pass this on to a friend. 15% off.
$15 off. This is FabFitFun. Gather the good. I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200+ worth of products for just $34.99. Woohoo! If you guys are interested, let me know and I can give you the code so you can get your first full box for $34.99. Put it in the comments below and I will choose somebody.
So the next thing is this Glow Milk
Nourished with coconut and argan oil.
And I really don't know exactly what it is, but this is what the bottle looks like. So
Can I
there's
read
the
it and
top,
try to figure it out?
and then there's this little smiley face, and it just has the website for it.
So it's called the Beauty Crop. It is illuminating milk for face and body. That's what it is. It's illuminating milk. It says vegan, nourished with coconut and argan oil. So it's really, really cute. And it's an illuminator or highlighter. And the color is Blind Date, as you can see there on the little box there. I'm going to see if I can open it. You want to keep going with the next things?
The next is a multitask vitamin mask. It looks like that. And we're going to see if I can see what it looks like. I don't know how. Oh, there's 3. Wait, no, there's more than that.
What is it?
It's a multitask vitamin.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
As Lauren tries to get into that, there it goes. It was a dropper as well, and it's an illuminator. There goes the color. Do you mind if I swatch really quickly on your hand so they can see it? Doop. So I just put a little drop. There it is, really pretty and bright. So we can keep going now.
So this is what the multitask vitamin packs look like. Basically looks like the cover, but like more smoother and more authentic. And it has Mascu Vintage 2 Spew Tenti Multitasking Vitamin Teat Elastate.
I love how you said vitamin. So basically, it's a bunch of masks for our face. And they have multivitamins in them, which again is really going to be awesome on this TTC journey. So this was pretty cool.
The next, sorry.
What was that?
That's what people on TikTok do.
Go, keep moving, TikTok child.
High Quantitatively Sleep Mist.
What? Hide Tranquility Sleep Mist. Ooh, so it's a mist that will help you go to sleep.
I need that.
Who needs that?
Me.
It has lavender oil and witch hazel in it. And also rice water, which is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and B and E vitamins to help purify and smooth your skin. Woo! That is awesome. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. It's So that is pretty cool. It basically helps you go to sleep. From my understanding with these mists, you can squirt them or mist them on your pillow and it helps you sleep. So that'll be really helpful because sometimes I do have insomnia and I can't go to sleep. So this is actually really pretty good.
So the next thing is the Laundress Crease Release Removes Wrinkles.
I love you, Lauren. Crease Release Classic. It removes wrinkles. So let's see what it says. Spray items from 6 inches away. Safe for all fabrics and furnishings. Color and texture may vary with natural ingredients. Free of phosphate, phytophates, and artificial color. Cruelty-free, no animal byproducts. What? I love it. So this basically will keep your clothes wrinkle-free, which is really good because I am always rushing in the morning. So is Lauren. So this will help us not have to do as much ironing.
So the next is a...
Oh my gosh, that thing is big. What is that?
Is a kitchen gym... Wait. A
What?
mason jar hydration kit!
Oh, I think this is the item that we were able to choose. Let me see it.
Don't let go!
All right, Jack.
I have
Don't
like
let go.
I have 2 mason jars that we can use to put that in.
So let's see.
Oh my gosh!
It's masontops.com hydrate. So let's
Oh,
see
is
what
it
this
a
thing
mason
looks like.
top?
This is really pretty. No, it's an actual
Oh,
jar.
I thought you made juice out of it.
No, it's just a jar.
Can I have this in my school?
No.
Yes.
This is for me.
We'll use it. We'll just use it with like turns.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So it's a jar and it's got a nice little cover over it, a nice little cloth cover, and it is a nice big jar. This would be perfect for me to take to school and work. So we can get our water consumption in.
You can put some food in here and just put a straw and just drink food like this.
Right. I've been juicing a lot lately, so this will be really cool.
Also, there's, I don't know what this is. I feel like it's shirts and bags and stuff.
You feel like it's shirts and bags? I think it's actually a little pillow. It
I'm
looks like a
gonna do
pillow.
this one because it's bigger. So let's see if we can find it.
What is this?
This feels so hard. Why is it?
I have no clue what this is, but we're about to find
I just
out.
broke
It
it.
feels like, oh, it's nice and soft.
Oh, this is.
I don't know what
I
does
can't get
this
it out
say?
because it's so big.
Beyond
Hard.
Yoga. Oh, these are some pants. Are they pants? Are they pants?
All the pants.
No, I don't know what this thing is.
Oh, wait, I think it's a.
Yeah. It says Beyond Yoga.
Oh,
I
I
don't
think
know
it's
what this is.
a stretcher. I think.
She thinks it's a stretcher.
I don't know what a stretcher is.
Is there a card in here to tell us what this is?
Oh no, in the magazine. Read the magazine.
All right, I'm gonna read through the magazine and see if we can figure out what that was.
So this is. Oh, it's a purse. Mine's is a purse.
That's
I'm
a cute
using
little
this.
purse.
Oh, it's a backpack.
So that's a cute little backpack.
This is mine
We'll let Lauren have that.
because it's tiny for me.
O to the M to the G.
Oh my gosh.
What's in your cart? No. No, that's not explaining what's in our bag. I don't know what that is. What does this say? Put it in the comments if you have an idea
Wait, read the
what
back,
this
read the
thing is, because I don't know. It just says more than yoga. So our total box is between 214 and 544. So it's gonna now if I try to read all of these things, it's gonna start to get a little bit long. But did you hear what I said? Between $214 and $544, and we only paid $49.99. So I think this box was really worth what we paid for it. I love all the items, even the ones I had no clue what it was. We don't have a card, baby. I think that's what the
No, I mean
the magazine.
the 15% off. You
Oh.
can do that for your box and not have to pay that much money. Like mommy said,
That's
she
what I
only
said.
paid
I'm
a
gonna
little
do a giveaway, baby.
bit. Oh,
I said
Goodness
I'm
gracious.
going to do a giveaway,
this.
and I'm gonna choose somebody. So post in the
15%
comments if you would like this 15% off coupon,
and also
and
we
we'll
have
choose who we can give it to.
we have a lot of.
We have a few coupons here, so we will definitely be doing a giveaway.
First one, you can use a 80% off.
$80 off.
$80 off for HelloFresh.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's the FabFitFun.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's the Bright Sellers 50 off
50% off.
for 5.
What?
You
So,
should have said 50.
for the wine, we have 50% off your first personalized wine matches. For the person who would like to try the FabFitFun box, it is $15 off. And then for the HelloFresh meal kit, it is $80 off. So we will be doing a giveaway to someone and giving them all of these goodies here because we know we're not going to use them, but I hate making them go to waste. So this was a really cool box. I love all of the stuff that I got in it, and I'm definitely going to be using everything, of course, with Lauren's help. But thank you guys so much. Lauren, you want to close this out?
So, please subscribe to join our Bling Squad. Please hit the like button and please comment down below. Just any.
Yeah, if you have questions, you have comments, you want to ask
Get
us
the card.
anything about anything, you want to get some of those coupons, put it in the comments, and definitely check the description of this video out so you can find out how to get in touch with us and stay in touch on IG. All right, Bling Squad, we will see you on the next video, and as always, mwah, mwah, mwah. The journey
Continue. Ow, my eye. I hurt my eye when I wiped it in.
Welcome back, Bling Squad. I know this girl is not eating.